Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you the basic overlay of Photoshop. So let's get started. So first we need to open Photoshop. Once you open Photoshop, there will be two types of options. You can either create a new document or you can open an existing document or image to start with. So here I'm going to create a new document, and you can choose a variety of document presets which are available in Photoshop already, or you can go with any custom document settings. So you need to enter the document details, the name of the document, the width, the height, the orientation, the resolution, the color mode, and the background context, which can be any color, which is the background color. And there are also a couple of other advanced options available. I'm not going to dial into this too much at the start, so I'm going to take some already available presets. So I'm going to choose this and create, and this is how you start off with Photoshop, by creating new content. So once you open up the new document, you can see the Photoshop interface, and the center part of the Photoshop interface is the document window where you will be working on the image, doing basic editing work, painting, and all those stuff which will be done in this part. And the top part of the document window, you can see the document tab which contains the name and the file type, and at the bottom of the document window you can see the status bar, and at the left side of the document window you can see the toolbar which contains various tools which you will be start working on once you get into Photoshop. And there is the option bar available at the top. So there will be a different set of options for the tools you will be choosing. So for this tool there are a certain set of options available, and for this tool there are a different set of options available. The topmost bar will be called as the menu bar, where you will be opening up a new image, or you will be working with layers, or you will be changing filters. You will be doing the basic stuff, and you will be also opening up new windows and stuff. And the right side is called as the panels, where you can add different types of panels like properties, color settings, layers, channels, paths, etc. So layers will be one important panel which you will be working under. To add more panels you will be clicking on the window, and as you can see there are a list of windows available. You need to click on whichever window you want to open. Say I want the libraries window. You can see there is the libraries window attached, so I can add it here, and you can see there's a different libraries window. Then there is also the search option available at the top, where you can search for new presets or images available. And then you can also change the interface if you want. Create a new workspace. As you can see, my interface is a little different from the default interface which comes. I've named it as editing. There are also custom interfaces which are already available for different types of works. So that's basically it for the basics of Photoshop. So please like this video, comment down if you found the video useful, and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Cheers.